Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the example basic activity transition animation in Android. It's very easy and simple, but first create Android project for this example. Next, open styles.xml file to enable window transition. And set enter window transition, also exit window transition if you want. After that, create transition res folder. Then create XML file inside transition res folder. Inside the XML file, define transition set and transition you want to use for window transition. Next, create new activity and set the layout. Also set main layout for simulation open activity. Here I use button to open new activity. After that, add code to create or open new activity with transition. Okay, now you know how to use window transition animation in Android. I hope this example can help you to learn Android as beginner. And I suggest you to read the documentation for more information. Link in the description. Please support me by subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.